Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is, what is the current gossip on you? It's a pick a card reading. So you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn to. Let's get into the reading. First pile, who choose green pile? What is the current gossip on you? So pile number 1, who choose green pile? Current gossip is you lost your money. People are gossiping about your financial matters, that you are broke, you don't have money, or you are financially broken. Whether you lost the job or you lost the business. So people are talking about losing your money. You lost the money, or recently you lost the money, or just they are thinking that you don't have money. So the current gossip is they are talking about your financial situation, that it is not good, it seems. So they are talking that your financial situation is not good currently. So they are gossiping that you are broken, you don't have any money, or you have going through some financial issues currently. So the current gossip is regarding your financial situation, which is in a bad condition. Let's move on to pile number 2, who chose yellow pile. So what is the current gossip on you? So pile number 2, people are gossiping about your life, how you fulfilling are your desires in your life, or how you are changing yourself totally. I think in the past you are an introvert, so now you became an extrovert. You became or not, but people are gossiping that you became extrovert and you became successful in your life. You are achieving whatever you want. You became very courageous, responsible, handsome, or beautiful. Everything expressive. Maybe in the past you are not that expressive. Now you are expressing yourself very much, or you are using your communication skills very much. So people are gossiping about the change you got in your life. So this is the current gossip going on, that you totally changed, your world changed totally. Like whatever person you are, you may be introvert in the past. So now they are seeing you, or you are showing yourself, or you are presenting yourself as an extrovert person. You may be not communicative that much. Now you are communicating, you are expressing your feelings freely, and you became very handsome and courageous and responsible person. So this is what people are gossiping about, totally your change, how you changed your life, or you can say totally you rebirthed yourself. You changed your style, your expressing, the way you express yourself, the way you handle the things. Totally they recognize that change, and they are gossiping about that change, how you got changed totally, all over, not just in the one specific area of your life. You changed whole life. So the way you present yourself, in all the ways you changed a lot. So this change is recognized by others also. So they are currently gossiping on your change, your lifestyle, the way you turned your lifestyle. So this is the current gossip. So it's a good thing actually. You changed in a different from the introvert to extrovert, I can say. So now you are enjoying more. Maybe in the past you don't like to enjoy, or don't like to partying and all, or you don't like to mingle with people. Now you are doing good in your life, you are successful, and you are achieving everything in your life. So this is even people are noticing it, and they are gossiping about that change and the success you are getting. So this is the current gossip. Let's move on to pile number 3, who choose blue pile. What is the current gossip on you? So pile number 3. So people are currently gossiping on your hardworking nature. You are working on something, or you are ready to take some action. You want to take some action in your life. So people are gossiping about that. Actually, in the earlier, you are not ready to take any action. I think whatever happening in your life, you are just going with the flow, or you are not taking actions. You are just observing and sitting idle, or you are not just thinking about to take any action. You are leaving the situations where it is. But the thing is, now you are ready to take the action. So people are gossiping about that, how active you became, or how actively you are taking action towards the things whichever happening in your life. Maybe you are not taking action towards the things which are happening in your life. Maybe some people are not trustworthy. You have fake friends, or people are using you for their advantage, or they are taking advantage of your kindness. So now you are taking action towards everything. You are not observing and sitting calmly. You are taking action towards them. If they are not honest with you, or if they are taking advantage of you, you are simply taking action towards them. Whatever needed action you have to take, you are taking that action. Even in your career matters, whatever, in the all area of your life, you are no more that ideal person or lazy person, I can say. Now you are taking action on everything. Whatever you are doing, you are actively taking action. So people are gossiping about that. Maybe you are roaming a lot, you are going out a lot, you are traveling a lot. Even people are talking about that you are moving. Actually, you are taking action towards everything. So current gossip is the actions you are taking in your life. So that is your current gossip. People are talking about that. Let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose red pile? What is the current gossip on you? So pile number 4. Who choose red pile? People are gossiping that you became very calm. You are not using any skills. You may be using, but you are not showing anyone, or they are thinking that you are hiding things from them. You are not showing yourself. You are not presenting yourself totally to the world or to the people. You may be doing lot of things in your life, but people are wondering what you are doing because they are unable to see, are unable to understand. Maybe you are not showing yourself. Whatever you are doing, you are not telling to people, you are not sharing to people. So they are worried. They are wondering what exactly is happening in your life because they don't have any idea what is happening in your life. So this is the current gossip. They are just gossiping about what exactly happening in your life because you are no more sharing, and you are no more telling to the people what you are doing, or whatever about your personal life or professional life. They have zero knowledge. They don't know anything. So they are wondering what exactly happening in your life. This is the current gossip. You are not giving any chance to know them, or you are doing lot of things. Based on this card, I think you are doing lot of things, but the thing is you are not letting people to know what you are doing. You are not sharing anything. You are keeping your things to yourself only. They are gossiping about that. Simply they are wondering what is happening with the pile number 4, what they are doing, where they are going. So this is the current gossip because they don't know anything. So they are gossiping about that also. What exactly happening in your life? They are wondering and they are gossiping about that. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose white pile? What is the current gossip on you? Pile number 5. I think you lost the love of your life, or you lost any love opportunity, or any family member, maybe your spouse or soulmate, or any good friendship, good companion. So people are gossiping about that. You lost that opportunity, love opportunity, or a good companion. You lost someone who is very special to you in your life. Yeah, exactly. Who is love of your life? So people are gossiping about that loss, that you missed that opportunity, or you missed that person, you lost that person. So this is the current gossip on you, that your love life is not good. Maybe you lost something in your family or relationship area. So people are talking about that, gossiping about that your family or relationship area, you lost someone, you ended the relationship, or you lost that person. So they basically gossiping about that your love life is not good. You got failure in your love life for family relationship. It is not going good in family relationship. I don't know about other areas, but they particularly gossiping about your family or love area, love situation. They are gossiping about that. Maybe they know that you lost someone, or you lost your love, you ended the relationship. So this is the current gossip going on. Like you lost the person, or you lost that relationship. If you are going through divorce, they are talking about it. If you lost your any family member who is very close to you, they are gossiping about that, how you lost that opportunity, or how you lost that person. So this is the current gossip. They are particularly gossiping about your love life, which is not good, which is ended, which you lost actually. So this is the current gossip. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings or in-depth reading, you can contact me. You can find the details in my description box.